Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VOO versus IVV. The first thing that I must say is that if you're gonna have any opinion on both of these ETFs, write it down below in the comments. And I also created my own course about ETFs, how you can make money, what kind of strategies you can implement to make money on ETFs, etc. So definitely check the link down below in the description. Now, the most important thing about both of these that they are really damn similar. And let me explain what do I mean by that. Now, they're both holding the same kind of stocks. When you come here to the fund overlap, it's 99% of the overlap on both. Even the performance is really similar, but there are three really important things. The first thing is the issuer. The Vanguard and BlackRock, both are reliable and safe. The second thing is that, in my opinion, I would definitely choose the one in which you're gonna buy for what kind of platform. So let's say that Vanguard, buying the ETF of Vanguard on some platform, you would have lower fees comparing to buying the IVV. So the VOO would be cheaper for you, but the expense ratio is both the same. Assets under management, 268 billion, 316 billion. When you come here to the average spread, same. Maiden tracking difference 0.01%, so like nothing. But there is one interesting thing. Look at this. This is like the performance of both 1 year, 3 year. The really interesting thing is the dividend yield history. And you see right here, 1.57, 2.12, 1.88. And we had like, look at this, 2019, we have 2012. It was bigger in IVV, right? Look at this further, 2017, 1.75, 2007, 1.78, 2016, 2016. So they are kind of like really similar. Some of the years were better for IVV when we compare the yield history, and that's pretty much it. But other than that, when I go even further and when I compare it, look at this, Microsoft Corporation, the percentage is damn similar. And they are overlapping hard. So my recommendation would be, look at this, 6.26, 6.23, that from the SCG ratings, you see that IVV is better. So write down below in comments which one you like more and which one you perceive is just better comparing to the other one. And I'll be really curious about that. And of course, like when we check the prices here, and IVV VOO is cheaper comparing to the IVV at this point. I don't know when you're watching this video, but this is something you see right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, the quick guide, which one you should choose. For me, it all depends. I really like the yearly history of IVV comparing to the VOO. It's just better. The expense ratio is the same. It really depends which issuer you like, and also it depends what kind of platform you're buying the ETFs from, if you have any fees, etc. But other than that, there is nothing to be afraid. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.